We are proud to say this is only one state today that PDP can be sure of returning their governorship candidate. This is only one state for now. For now.
As we dey fly up, we dey fly down. As we dey fly up, we dey bend them.
One of the reasons why PDP has to choose their governorship candidate is somebody who is aware, who knows what government is doing. Because it must be part of the system, to understand the system, to continue from where we are going to stop. And not people who just have that idea, I want to be governor to siphon our money. Thank God we do not give them the ticket. Let me say this clearly. It doesn't matter the party you belong to. I've said we're spending a lot of money to provide security in this state. And therefore, it doesn't matter which party you belong to. I made a broadcast last time. You know, our people believe that, oh, that's the way government will do anything. Now, let me tell anybody who cares. Whether you're in PDP, you're in APC, you're in SDP, you're in Harcourt, you're whatever party you call it. If I catch you, try to plot to bring security in this state, you will go in for it. There's no amount of propaganda. If you like, go to social media, they're clapping down on you. It's a business. I will not allow anybody, because we have suffered it severally and we have spent money, can begin to arrange courses in your event center, in your hotels. Pray. I don't have any hint about it. If I do, I will bring down your hotel, I will bring down the event center, and I will arrest those people, I will prosecute them. Heaven will not fall. In fact, it will be better now for heaven to come down while we are here.
Yes, so we get
So I will not allow anybody to destabilize this state. We have suffered it severally, and God has helped us with security agencies to maintain peace. So for me, I will not wait. Whether it is true or not, I must make sure I take action before it happens. So if you know they are using your hotel, they are using their drinking joint to be where they will be holding meetings, think twice now. Because once we come, forget it. Forget it. I'm not ready to some of you say, what am I going to do? I will bring it down. And then I will arrest those people there and prosecute them. If you like, go and call anybody you want to call, it's their business. Except I'm not the governor of this state. I'm fully in charge of this state, and now some of you will know that you cannot deal with people like us. Enough is enough. So, my dear brothers and sisters, all of us have enjoyed peace in this state. All of us have enjoyed our economic activities are moving on because of the peace that has come to this state. I will continue to enjoy the peace. I commend the security agencies for maintaining the peace, and the support we have given to them, they have justified it to make sure that there's peace as against what is happening in other states. Every day you read news, you hear what is going on in other states. Our place is peaceful, and we must continue to enjoy this peace. So let nobody try to be funny. If you want to be funny, we'll teach you that you can't be funny with us.